Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. So happy November. It is November the 1st, 2024. And I have a new host code and a new mini masterpiece I want to share with you today for today's Di's Shorts. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona, and I left my phone on, so hold on a second. I apologize. Let me make my phone be quiet. All right, there we go. So I apologize for that. So yeah, I'm so glad that you're here. If you are new, I'm in the chat room, so you'll be able to chat with me and everybody else during the live premiere. So make sure you head on over to there, and hopefully that will quiet it up. All right, so yeah, that's what I want to show you today. So it will be a really quick video, and I hope you are ready for November. I said on my blog that we went right from like summer, because it was still 100 degrees, like not that long ago, and then boom, it's like cold already. So it's like, oh, I wanted some fall weather. So maybe it will warm up just a tad, but we don't want any more 100 degrees. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing so I can get on with this video for you. So close your eyes just for a second while I get adjusted. So I have a new host code for the month of November. And if you're ordering less than 150 before tax and shipping, please use that code. And that will earn you, if you order 75 before tax and shipping, the November mini masterpiece. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I actually I went to Goodwill. I was looking for some cute t-shirts, and I actually found this. Now I probably had this stamp years ago. It says 95, and then there's other little pieces that I got with it, but I didn't have it anymore. So I could not wait to use it. So that's what I'm using for November. So look at these cute little bird houses there. So you can earn the mini masterpiece if you order 75 in the month of November before tax and shipping. That can be several orders as long as they total 75 before tax and shipping. So you could order 50 here, 25 there, whatever you choose. But I love hearing from you all that you're really liking the little mini masterpieces. So that's super fun. And if you are not ordering 75, which is not a big deal, or say you do order 50 in one order, 25 in another, you will be earning sunflowers. So you can get a dozen sunflowers, and then you can pick $40 in free. So the $50 has to be on a single order before tax and shipping in order to earn that sunflower. So this chart, you can find it on my blog, and I also send it to you when I email you after you order. I put it in there as well. And then your little mini masterpiece will come the following month with your thank you card. So so watch for that. So those of you that earned your mini masterpiece in October, this is the little one that you're getting for those orders, and those will go out probably this coming week. So yeah, so that is what's going on. Let me get this here. So like I said, that was a super quick little video. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. Let me get my microphone. So yeah, so that was just quick. That's what a die short's supposed to be, right? Cute, quick, and sweet. Now keep in mind that November the 5th, there's going to be some new online products available. So those are the ones I showed you a week or so ago that had the cute little gopher, not gopher, oh my gosh, the little otter, and some of the other things. So you'll be able to check back on my videos to see those. But like I said, November the 5th, those will be starting. If you want to grab them before November 5th, you need to be a demonstrator to do that. And you could join my team, and I can give you codes, item codes, so you could put them in your starter kit if you want to go that direction. All right, so I think that's all. I want you to have a super good weekend. I'm probably getting too close to the camera, so it's all nice and blurry because I haven't been paying attention. So yeah, so hopefully you have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday for my mimeograph Monday with a twist. That'll be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. So thank you so much for spending some time with me this week. I really appreciate it. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday. All right, bye for now.